जय श्री महाकाल। आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं गौरी राम डेयरी फार्म का यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो हिंदी लैंग्वेज की या इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में रहेगी। आगे की मैं जो भी कहूँगा वो इंग्लिश है, बीच में कहूँगा आप इसका ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हो। और वीडियो कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली, इसलिए हिंदी में नहीं, वीडियो की लैंग्वेज में इंग्लिश यूज़ करने वाला हूँ। और वीडियो में आपको काफ़ी चीज़ डेयरी फार्म के बारे में आपको बताया जाएगा। डेयरी फार्म में नफ़ा नुकसान, मुनाफा होता है कि नहीं। लोग बोलते हैं कि इसमें मुनाफा प्रॉफिट कम है, ज़्यादा है, ये सब भी आपको दिखलाया जाएगा। तो डेयरी फार्म, चलिए वीडियो करते हैं शुरू। यदि आपने अभी तक डेयरी फार्म के हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब बटन मारा है, बेल आइकन घंटे जरूर दबाएं। द स्टार्ट इन द वीडियोस, द डेयरी फार्म द प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, what to think about different situation, the profit and the loss. Will cow and buffalo difficult difficulties, situations, loss, and the different methods are defended by the dairy farm in a cost and the hand and the cost and the very high in the futures will be about futures in the very good futures and dairy farm will be care and to different by care. Tell me cares about then the knowledge and dairy farms run in successfully in futures, and to tell you and the very loss and the without knowledge we have the very loss. Dairy farm loss and the technology will be futures, and kindly the milk cow and normal cow and buffaloes. The normal cows in profit and low profits. This is low profit, and the milk cow and very high profit. The ratio 40-60% the profit margin in dairy defended by your feeding, breeding and management in cow, and timely AI and calving, and we have the pregnancy and the animal for we were the magua and the heifer. So will be about, and then you take the dairy farming milking rate to defend by profit. The different by milking rate profit, and cow maximum rate in 35 rupees, buffalo maximum rate of 60 to 65 rupees. The milk rate in the another black dairy farm the very profit and the different by medical equipment. See the care, the care by and the death of animal, so loss we have the profit margin and the merge. We came to the, and tell me we have so very difficult business, dairy farming and futures in the very hard, and tell me and give the care and management to see defended by the management and care. This is the management you have. We high profit generated by dairy farm. I can't do this very successful business and my run, and this is my dairy farm business and successfully 1 year complete. I have my journey dairy farm. We have my two cow, they study from journey, and my one cow is Ganga. The second station in my farm in calving. We have the first station in the calving give up the later we at the paro after 3 months. We have a randa to and the heifer and my ready for the heifer in my farm. Very in the 6 month for AI. The before AI we have the controls, we have the and the animals. Buffalo farm is not the profit and the low profit, and the cow farm in the profit fit to different by alag alag. We have the controls. धन्यवाद. Thanks for watching video.